second mistake business owners make in QuickBooks, and they usually catch this when they're trying to reconcile their books, is using this exclude. So you'll see this excluded category, and you'll see here that there's this opportunity to hit exclude. So here's typically when this happens. A business owner takes their family out to dinner, they use their business card, they meant to use their personal card, or they purchased something that was for personal use on their business card, and it comes through on the banking feed, and they just say, oops, I didn't mean to do that, and they hit exclude. Now, that is going to get rid of it from the banking feed, but now what you have is a situation where that transaction is showing up on your bank statement, and that transaction is not categorized in QuickBooks. So when you go to reconcile your books, which you should be reconciling every month for best business practice so that you know that what is in QuickBooks and what is on your bank statement is matching, you're not going to be able to reconcile. So where that transaction actually belongs, if you were an LLC that elects to file as a sole prop, that is going to belong under owner's draws, that personal transaction that you're excluding. If you are an LLC that elects to file as an S Corp, that transaction is going to go under shareholder distribution, under whichever shareholder used the card. So if you're the only shareholder, it would go under a shareholder distribution. For you, if there's multiple, you would choose who it was for. But you cannot reconcile your books when you are excluding items that come through this banking feed. There are almost no circumstances that I would ever use exclude. So I want you to just be aware of how, I don't want to say dangerous exclude is, because it's not really dangerous, but it's going to create a lot of heartache for you when you go to reconcile your books and you're noticing that things aren't matching up. So avoid using exclude. If you used your card for a personal transaction, put it in the right category and just keep going forward with categorizing the rest of your transactions.